Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the line, turn off phone service, or unplug the modem so you don't damage equipment. Once done, remove the faceplate with a screwdriver and take a clear photo of the existing wiring so you can restore order. Make sure you have a replacement RJ11 jack, a punch-down tool, and wire cutters to proceed. Start now by loosening the old jack screws and exposing the terminal block. You want direct access to the wire pairs before moving on. You'll now transfer the wires precisely. Identify the tip and ring colors, commonly red and green for the primary line, and label them mentally or with tape so you don't swap pairs. Then strip about 1/4 inch of insulation, seat each conductor into its matching labeled slot, and use the punch-down tool to secure it. This both trims and locks the conductor. Once seated, trim any excess flush with the tool and tighten the jack to the wall box so connections remain stable and strain-free. You finish by reinstalling the faceplate and snugging the screws, not so tight you crack the plate. Next, plug a phone in or use a multimeter to verify dial tone and continuity. Listen for a clear dial tone and confirm the tip-to-ring resistance is in a normal range. If you don't get a signal, make sure the color order is correct and that every punch-down is fully seated. As a troubleshooting tip, check at the network demarcation to confirm the line feed isn't interrupted before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.